Hi, my dear subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Last week I missed some videos to post, but this one you might like it. I'm so sure you'll like it. So, this is my planet Earth, and it's Did you know that this origin is a melody is a mystery? I don't know what I said, but who cares? It dates back over 250 years, and it has been attributed to a melody hymn from Switzerland, and English composer John Bull, and a French composer Jean-Baptiste Lully. I'm not sure if I said that right, but here I go.